Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrator rights. Once done, close any running Python program so files aren't locked. Open Start, type Settings, then go to Apps and Installed Apps. This is where Windows lists each Python installation. Look for entries named Python with matching version numbers and note the Install Location column. That helps remove leftovers later. Make sure to check both user and system installs, because Windows can host multiple Python versions simultaneously. In Installed Apps, click the Python entry and choose Uninstall. Follow the uninstaller prompts and accept removal of optional components like pip and tcl/tk when asked. If the uninstaller asks about modifying path, agree to remove Python entries so future commands won't resolve to missing executables. Repeat this precise process for every Python version listed, including 32-bit and 64-bit variants, because leaving one behind can still register Python on your system and confuse. Once uninstallers finish, manually remove leftover folders in C, \program files, C, \program files, x86, and your %local app data %\programs and %app data % if present. This clears site packages and registry-free files. Then open System Properties, right arrow environment variables, and edit path to remove any Python or scripts entries. Finally, open Command Prompt and run Python version or where Python to confirm removal. If a version still appears, reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.